Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Zike 2-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger. Here is the charging unit for the device itself, and here is the device. And this works with MagSafe. We have an iPhone 12 mini here, so you can watch your phone like that. Of course, this screen cover is still on, but there you go. That's the iPhone 12 mini, and then it sticks on like that. And then this is also adjustable for your desk, so if you want to watch it like that or checking out your phone while it's charging. What's great about this device, it not only has the MagSafe up top, but at the bottom you can charge your wireless earbuds here, and that provides up to 10 watts of power, and the MagSafe up here provides up to 15 watts of power. And then in the back, if the phone gets a little warm while charging, you can see that it has fan ports right here. And so that fan will come on to start cooling the device that it's connected to. And you'll know that that's on with this little logo right here. It's a fan logo, and that will light up a color around it right there. But it's very easy to mount a phone. You just put it right on like that, and it's good to go. And then you put your headphones here. You can do any of the wireless devices. You can even charge another phone with this, and they give you enough power with this charger right here. So this is from Zike, and it's the 2-in-1 wireless desktop charging unit with MagSafe and 10-watt QI wireless charging base. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.